efficient wall plastering machine automates the process of applying plaster to walls, increasing speed and reducing labor costs. Road marking involves applying lines and symbols on roads to guide and regulate traffic flow for safety and organization. The silage packaging process involves compressing and sealing chopped forage, such as grass or corn, in airtight bags or bales to preserve its nutritional value through fermentation for animal feed. Potato planting using a machine is a fast and efficient process where the machine automatically digs, This machine shakes the tree to gather its dry leaves, helping to keep the environment clean and improve the area around the tree. This powerful suction cleaning machine efficiently cleans large amounts of dirt from dirty areas using its strong suction pipe. It quickly removes debris and waste. A useful vehicle for cutting the bottom part of a tree is a tree felling machine, which precisely cuts through the trunk at the base, ensuring a clean and controlled fall for safety and efficiency. The tires of this vehicle are being expertly packaged by a machine, ensuring precision and care throughout the process. This machine is cutting the steel plate and shaping it into a specific design to meet the required form and purpose. This machine is manufacturing the cells, batteries used in power banks and rechargeable lights. It assembles the battery components, ensuring proper energy storage and efficiency. The cells are then tested for performance before being integrated into devices. These batteries provide a reliable power source for portable electronics and lighting systems. This is how energy drink caps are sealed and packed. A specialized machine securely applies the cap to the bottle and seals it tightly to ensure freshness and prevent leaks. This machine is creating various designs on steel, producing specific patterns or engravings on its surface. It is used with high precision to cut and shape the steel, making it suitable for industrial or decorative purposes. This machine is cutting wood with great ease and efficiency, saving both time and effort. Its sharp blades and automated system help achieve clean and precise cuts. This machine is cleaning the drain very effectively, removing all debris and dirt to ensure the drain is completely clean. worker is expertly placing the blocks, ensuring each one is accurately fitted in its proper position for a strong and balanced structure. There's no special place needed for sleeping, brother. You can sleep anywhere, just like this guy is sleeping. This guy has come up with an amazing idea. He's creating a brick pattern on the wall, and it looks so good. His creativity and skill have given the wall a unique and attractive look. Thick stainless steel bending involves using specialized machines to apply strong force. Cleaning the floor with a high-pressure washer tool involves using a strong stream of water to remove dirt, grime, and stains from surfaces like concrete or tiles. Wire fence manufacturing involves the process of weaving or welding metal wires into a mesh pattern, creating strong and durable fencing. Ever wonder where the future of volumetric concrete mixers is heading? At Holcomb Mixers, we're not just mixing concrete, we're mixing innovation. Imagine a world where your mixer thinks ahead, offering real-time automation and precision control right at your fingertips. Picture eco-friendly materials reducing your carbon footprint, while the mixer's enhanced mobility takes it anywhere you need, no questions asked. And don't forget the safety features, built-in smart sensors for a worry-free job site. The future isn't just coming, it's already being poured, one breakthrough at a time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible machines, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting tech and innovation content. See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.